Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, I am Rutuja Kiramte, the student of the third year in Computer Department and Zeal College of Engineering Research to me. And our project topic is Python program to sort by a value. Under guidance the Kutte ma'am and Jadhav ma'am. In our project topic is two members. First, Rutuja Kiramte, me, and Rani Sutar. Python programming in sort by a value. Abstract. Dictionary in Python is collection of the functions and modules, and Python program to sort a dictionary by value. Dictionary in Python is an unsorted collection of other values. What is used of dictionary? Dictionary is used to sorted value like a map, which unlike other data types that holds on a single key more optionally, whereas key can be repeated, may be immutable. Main content. What is a dictionary? Dictionary in Python is an unsorted collection of data values used to store data values like a map, which unlike other data types that holds on a single key as an element. Dictionary holds key value pair. Need of sorting a dictionary. First, a dictionary has O of n sorting time complexity, whereas a list of O of n time complexity, which makes a dictionary is while option, whereas necessary. Second, a sorted dictionary better understanding and clarify. Third, sorting helps making inefficient analysis while working with data structure. Next, first, sorting by keys, sorting by values, sorting by algorithms, strings and numbers, reversing the sorting order. Dictionary sorting by value. In dictionary sorting by value, many methods. First is sorted method. This solution is slow and insufficient. Python built-in function library has a better solution.
My name is Rani Rajendra Sutar. My project topic is program to sort a dictionary by value under the guidance of Professor Kutte ma'am and Professor Jadhav ma'am. I will explain the remaining part of the project. So, how to sort a dictionary using keys, values, reversing the sorted order, etc. We are using sort dictionary using values. Dictionary sorting by values. In sorting by values, there are many methods like sorted method. So this solution is slow and inefficient. Python's built-in function library has a better solution for this in the form of the sorted function. Next page, there is example and output of the sorted method. Next page. Second method is item getter method. So another option is to use the item getter method. Callable object from each operand. Next, example of item getter method. Next page. There is our output of item getter method. Next page. Lambda function is nameless in Python. We can use this function to get the value of a dictionary item without having to import the operator module for item getter. Next example of lambda function and output of lambda function. Next page. Conclusion. Python offers the built-in keys values. From keys values, we can sort the dictionary. This project showed what is actual dictionary in Python, what are use of dictionary and how dictionary can be sorted based on its value, and what are the functions or methods can be used for sorting. Thank you.